This video is about settlement compensation for soft tissue and whiplash injuries in car accidents in Maryland. If you've been injured in an accident, you want to know how much money you'll get. You won't get a straight answer here. We can't tell you what your settlement amount will be, but we can help you understand the potential range of values for your case with a lot more clarity. Let's first understand what a whiplash injury is. What happened to you? You were in a car accident, and due to an abrupt acceleration or deceleration, your neck moves forward and backward in a whip-like motion. This unexpected movement causes injury to your cervical spine, located in your neck and the surrounding tissues. This is called a whiplash injury, also known as a neck sprain or strain. In this condition, the ligaments and muscles in the neck are forced beyond their normal range of motion. Whiplash is a very common injury in car accidents, and one of the primary causes of accident-related pain. Symptoms of whiplash extend beyond pain. These symptoms can include stiffness, loss of range of motion, headaches, upper back pain, numbness, or tingling of the face and arms, as well as fatigue and dizziness. Soft tissue injuries often stem from accidents, but they can also occur during sports or other physical activities. Two such injuries are sprains and strains. Sprains involve ligaments being overstretched or torn. Strains, on the other hand, affect muscles or tendons, the tissues that anchor muscles to bones. Both of these injuries can be caused by a singular trauma or overuse of the body parts involved. Although they affect different tissues, the symptoms of sprains and strains are remarkably similar. Both may result in pain, swelling, and stiffness. However, sprains can also cause bruising due to bleeding under the skin, while strains might lead to muscle spasms, indicative of the body's attempt to protect an injured area from further damage. After a sprain or strain, you might notice the joint swelling or seizing up. This is a protective response from the body that aids healing. The inflammatory process essentially alerts the immune system that it needs to respond. This response involves the widening of blood vessels, which allows healing, promoting cells such as white blood cells to reach the injured tissues. Pain from sprains and strains can persist until the injury is fully healed, especially during movement. Rest is always the cornerstone of healing for mild sprains and strains, which generally resolve within a week or so. Additional supportive treatments include applying cold packs, compressing the affected area with a bandage, and taking anti-inflammatory medications like ibuprofen. More severe sprains may necessitate a longer recovery period and could impact daily activities, including work. Significant tears to ligaments, tendons, or muscles may require more aggressive treatment approaches, such as surgery or physical therapy. Rehabilitation also plays a crucial role in these cases, helping restore function and strength while preventing future injuries. If you have a whiplash injury and did not resolve quickly, you are in the minority. Most whiplash injuries are mild, but there are so many of these injuries that they ran the gamut of severity. Soft tissue injuries in a minority of cases can be severe. Keep in mind, a heart attack is a soft tissue injury. It's essential to get professional legal help in such cases. At our law firm, we handle these cases, providing the necessary support and guidance. In terms of calculating whiplash settlements, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The settlement will depend on a variety of factors, including the severity of your injuries, the cost of your medical treatment, any lost wages from being unable to work, and the impact of the injury on your daily life. Generally, more severe injuries result in higher settlements, but let's try to break it down a little further. Let's start with statistics. The average settlement for a whiplash injury from a car accident is typically between $10,000 to $20,000. That's a big range. What is the difference between a $10,000 case and a $20,000 case? In serious injury cases, insurance companies get into the weeds, looking at all the factors that make up pain and suffering. In whiplash cases, where there is no alleged permanent injury, insurance companies focus on the amount of medical treatment that you get that was medically necessary, in their opinion. So the more medical bills, the higher the settlement. But there's a catch. Medical necessity is the key. If you get treatment that you really didn't need, the insurance company is unlikely to pay for that, and you're left with more medical bills that are not accounted for in your settlement. So the key, when we tell clients this all the time, is to get the exact amount of treatment your body needs. There are also serious whiplash injuries where the injury just doesn't go away. These are different cases, and you will often see six-figure settlements in those cases. If you've suffered a whiplash injury and believe you may have a claim, the best course of action is to get professional legal advice. You can reach out to us at 800-553-8082 or online for a free consultation.